Dear all, a very warm welcome to the virtual presentation of the 13th edition of Realty Plus Conclave and Excellence Awards 2021 East. I am Sapna Srivastava, editor of Realty Plus magazine, and let's begin the proceedings of the day with the auspicious Ganesh Mantra.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
On that note of positivity, we also express our sincere appreciation to all those who helped us make this event come together. The event is co-powered by InMobile Doors. The creative partner is Another Idea, business media partner, BW Business World, and online media partner, exchangeformedia.com. And in fact, as you all know, the event is being organized by Realty Plus. And also on that optimistic note, can we have our partner, AV?
Insight decided to backward integrate and add one more feather in its cap by venturing into manufacturing of designer furniture under the brand name InMobile. In 2014, they further expanded their business and forayed into manufacturing of doors with a goal to bridge the gap between domestic man-made doors and the dearly prized European doors. InMobile doors are manufactured with the latest German technology on high-tech machines with state-of-the-art infrastructure for all post-production processes like painting, polishing and inspection under the supervision of a highly qualified and trained staff. InMobile is proud to offer a wide range of doors like wooden fire-resistant doors, metal fire-resistant doors, bullet-resistant doors, solid core flush doors, honeycomb infill doors, veneer finished doors, laminate finished doors, PU coated doors, glass doors, back painted glass doors, sliding doors, security doors, door frames in solid wood and door jambs, along with its specialty of custom-made and ready-to-install doors and door frames. They are used and trusted by leading developers across the country. Our motto of customer satisfaction has made us one of the fastest-growing door manufacturing companies in the country with a pan-India distribution network.
Well, that was quite informative, and thank you to all our partners. We couldn't have done it without you. So before we begin with the e-conclave of today, let me give a brief introduction of what Realty Plus is all about. So friends, Realty Plus magazine is part of Exchange for Media and BW Business World Group. The monthly publication is the real estate vertical of the group and was created to cater to the needs of the real estate business. For the past 16 years, Realty Plus has been at the forefront of news and stories influencing the world of real estate. It was also recognized as the best real estate magazine by National Real Estate magazine by National Real Estate Development Council, NAREDCO, and is now available both in print and digital edition. Apart from our monthly magazine, the Realty Plus series of collector's edition coffee table books are premium editions launched once in a year, spotlighting prominent personalities, products, and brands of the real estate industry. A recent one is the Super CXOs, India's top 100 realty influencers coffee table book, which features Indian Realty's dynamic Super CXOs who are transforming the sector through their leadership and vision. Moving on from the publications, Realty Plus Conclave and Excellence Awards virtual series such as the one today features eminent speakers, engaging discussions, and lively virtual award ceremonies felicitating the top performers in Indian real estate, PropTech, co-working, and building product segments. What's more, under this series, we have also taken the initiative to recognize achievers under 40 years of age and encourage young talent across segments in the real estate sector. Realty Plus also produces various online products and events under its Realty Plus Digital Connect initiative. Under the umbrella of Realty Plus Digital Connect, we have Realty Plus Masterclass webinars featuring subject matter experts and industry leaders in an insightful and informative conversation on current and relevant topics. We also have the Realty Plus Real Talk series that features video interviews with influential leaders from varied segments of real estate to share their honest views and opinions and real facts and figures for the benefit of all the stakeholders of the industry. Not to be missed, every morning is the Realty Plus e-newsletter that goes out every day with latest news, views, and opinions from across realty sector of India and the world. We are also very strong on the social media platforms, and that is how we stay connected with our readers, peers, and partners and promote our products. So this was a brief snippet of what Realty Plus does and what our latest initiatives are. To know us better, do get in touch with Tripti Kedia, publisher and business head Realty Plus. And also, let's take a look at a brief Realty Plus AV before we move on to the proceedings of the day. Well, after that short AV on Realty Plus, especially for those who are joining us for the first time, now let's come back to our today's very exciting lineup of panel discussions. And let me also inform you all that the event is being live streamed on Realty Plus website, that is www.realtyplusmag.com, and Realty Plus Facebook page, RP Realty Plus. So friends, now we proceed to the inaugural address of the day by Dr. Anurag Batra. Known as India's media mogul, Dr. Anurag Batra is the editor-in-chief and chairman of Exchange for Media Group and Business World. In fact, he's not able to join us live, but he has sent a special video message for us all today. So can we have the AV, please?
Good afternoon. Welcome to this Realty Plus resilience event. Real estate industry, the whole country is going through a crisis. I know the mood is very somber, but sometimes we have to keep doing what we have to doing in a hope for a better tomorrow, and also because what we do matters. It also keeps us focused on the immediate task at hand. So really we are doing this event. I know the mood is somber, but we're doing it virtually from the safety of your home. I think resilience is something that we've been talking for the last 13 months. And in the last 2 weeks, things have got to a point where doing normal business has become tough, both in terms of what's happening on the ground, and second is it mentally impacts all of us. But we got to stay grateful that we are being able to breathe. We also got to pray for others. So I know this is a conference of real estate, but my thoughts are, I cannot pretend to be normal while I'm working, doing what I need to do. But clearly the mind does wander, and you tend to think about what's happening around you, and you tend to think about the families that are getting impacted and so on and so forth. So I just want to say that stay safe and keep doing what you are doing. Be sensitive to others. Moving forward is important, so keep moving forward in a hope for a better day tomorrow. Hopefully Corona will subside. Hopefully we'll be able to save lives. And I think resilience has been inbuilt in us in the last 14 months. And as life comes back to normal, I'm sure the real estate industry will also come back to normal. So really, I wish you luck. You're very brave. You're taking out time to do this, and God bless you. Stay safe. Thank you.
Well, on that note of hope and positivity from Dr. Batra, yes, these are challenging times and we have to keep moving forward irrespective. Indian real estate is resilient. Indians are resilient. So let's hope for the better future. And thanks, Dr. Batra, for setting the tone of the day.